Judiel Netura. Fourth and possibly the last playing year for her. Her decision to make. And here she is. Unang palo pa lang, Jack.
Unang palo pa lang. Karga na kaagad.
Pinapakita lang niya sa atin na
Yeah.
pro-ready na siya.
Oo nga.
Grabe, swerte ng mga volleyball players ngayon.
Sobra. After graduation, meron nag-iintay sa kanila. As long as, syempre, gagalingan nila sa respective position nila and sa teams nila.
Another player who will surely join the draft. Itong si Jonah Dolorito. Kargado din yung mga palo nitong si Jonah.
Nice swing.
So, Netura versus Dolorito.
Dolorito. Let's go.
Top 2 scores for both teams.
B-pass. Netura again.
Silva. Estrelier goes to the middle. LJ Isar.
Open. Oh.
Good hit by Pascual. The rookie, Sheila Pascual, finding the open spot.
Sobrang laki ng open spot ng Letran that time. Only 2 defenders.
So smart play by the rookie, noticing the formation of the Letran Lady Knights. Sari.
Almost an ace that time from Dolorito.
Netura, Dolorito was there. Back set, Muchillas on the drop. Silva pops it up. Estrelier, binalik dito kay Vanessa Sari.
Binalikan sila, same pwesto. Donut hole.
Si Vanek this year, talagang ano lang, hindi naman chill mode.
Yun din sasabihin ko sana, chill mode. But, you know, she's doing her job.
Can still deliver the goods.
Yes.
Ano I think she's working on her game na hindi lang puro lakas.
More
may
on
mga
siguro
off-speed.
ball control.
Yon, that's the word. Ball,
Ball
control.
control.
That's the term. Ball control. And speaking of ball control, Sheila Pascual,
Down
cross
the-
court, drop shot down the
Down
line.
the line.
Kaya niya.
Yes.
Nagpapakita ng variety. Alberto. Martin with the pass. Estrelier back to Bane. Picked up by LPU. Oh, not over.
Medyo kinapos.
Inaabangan na si Sheila. Kasi naka-2 puntos na eh.
Yes.
You can see the 2 blockers. You can see the formation of the Lady Knights in the back.
Nag-uusap ka agad sila. Kitang-kita mo.
Sari. Oh, too strong.
Too strong for Sari that time. Curious ako, ano kaya ang game plan ng Lyceum coming into this game? Kasi syempre, di ba, Letran, wala pang talo.
Tsaka nakita ng Lyceum, yung EAC dumikit sa kanila. So,
Di ba? So, medyo may window of chance.
kaya lang, syempre, yung Letran,
Of course, of course.
na-realize din nila for sure na hindi sila pwede magkumpiyansa.
Mag-relax, yes.
They have to take every opponent seriously and treat them with respect.
Of course. Oh, good dive.
Dolphin dive by Lara May. Pascual na
Nice
naman.
block. Medyo kinapos lang ng onte sa defense din sa likod. Si Dolorito.
There's that patented
nice.
save by Silva.
Silva working hard for Letran.
Palang Padilla with the denial there. Solid at the top of the net.
Nice pass. Medyo kinapos ang pancake save ni Martin doon.
And quick attack
Good
for Osada.
But good deflection from the block.
Tinitraining nyo ba yun? Kung kailan mag-decide na i-pancake or yung underhand?
Yes. Ako, as a libero, ano yun talaga? Pinapractice, especially yung timing. Kung kailan mo dapat i-dive, i-pancake.
Ito ang specialty ni Yen Martin. The cross-court spike.
Cross-court spike.
And getting the
Clutch.
check. 5-all. Dikit.
Yes. I mean, di ba? Why not?
Yeah. If you're LPU, nothing to lose ka na dito sa
Of
puntong to.
course. And might as well give them a good game, di ba?
Back-to-back points for Yen Martin.
Martin this time off the block.
Pag magkasabay si Banet tsaka si Yen, ano talaga parang nakakatakot kasi ang laki nila, malakas.
Yes. And medyo intimidating yun, di ba?
Yeah.
Siyempre sa side ng opponent.
Kumbaga, isipin mo na if you're a blocker, how to stop the two. Tapos may Judiel pa sa kabila. Oh!
Close. But outside.
7-6.
Ang bilis ng ikot natin. Close game.
Martin, jump serve for Yen. Dolorito.
Wow!
Great save.
Great save from Silva.
At tinapos.
I love her energy.
Yeah, credit that point to Laramie Silva.
Yes.
Part of that point. That kill
Half
by
the point.
Judiel Nitura. All right, we'll take a break. At sa aming pagbabalik, Fatima Reyes will give us her first report from courtside.
Welcome back mga kapuso. Nakatutok pa rin kayo sa NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball. And we often say promises are meant to be broken. And so when I asked Natalie Estrelier on how they plan to continue their winning streak, she told me that they can't promise to remain undefeated, but they can promise that they will give their best all the time. Hindi nga natin nakasama si Nat sa huli nilang laban due to her neck pain. Pero ngayon, they are complete and ready to give their all as promised. On the flip side, Jonah Dolorito is also clueless when I asked her regarding what's happening on their team. Ika niya, wala raw kasing willing tumapos like the past seasons. But on the brighter side, alam daw niyang may ilalaban ang mga bata at sana raw hindi pa huli ang lahat. Anton and Jack.
Maraming salamat, Fatima. So that's good to know na 100% na si Nat.
Yes, and that's a very good mindset, no? I mean, kapag andun ka sa top, you're really entitled to nothing. And basta, maganda yung sinabi niya na basta ibibigay niya lang yung best niya. Best ng team nila every game. And that's a very good mindset to have.
Martin. Oh! Sorry. Nagmukhang middle blocker bigla si Banet doon, ah.
Yeah. I mean, you gotta be ready all the time.
May sinasabi ko na with her physicality and
Of
size,
course. Height is might talaga.
pwede siyang umatake agad ng biglaan.
Yes, advantage talaga ang matangkad. Hindi ko yan alam.
Pero syempre, importante rin yung role nyo.
Of course. Ang lamang lang namin ng mga hindi pinalad sa height, siguro yung bilis na lang, doon na lang tayo bumawi.
Silva is #1 right now in digging and
Oh.
receiving.
I mean, I'm not even surprised.
So yung value ng isang Lara May Silva, talagang hindi mo basta-basta mapapalitan.
Yes. I mean, I'm not even surprised kasi sa galaw niya pa lang. Finesse. Libero. Let's go.
Ito na ang Letran making a run with multiple points from Sari and Judiel Netura. Balik ang bola
Overpass.
sa LPU side. Muchilias. Ganda
Wow.
nun.
Ganda nun. Cross court.
Pinadaan kay Nat tsaka kay Coach Mayet.
Beautiful spike.
Oh. Sayang yun.
Lalo naghahabol sila. Nitura now on the service line.
The reigning best opposite hitter in the NCAA, Judiel Netura, averaging 16 points per
Wow.
match this season.
Nice pancake save right there.
Silva. Sari.
Ooh, nice defense.
So, apat yung nakabantay dito kay Sari. Dalawang blockers and... Oh!
That one. Ang ganda ng timing. Ni
Wow.
Galledo.
What a block on last year's top scorer. Yeah. The rookie, Ai Alberto, with the block. Sari, babawi. Oh, na-pick up pa ng LPU yun.
Ayaw pa bawiin.
Oh, running attack from LJ Isar.
Yun lang.
Wow, LJ Isar with a dash and smash.
With only one blocker right there.
I'd like to see more of that from the Letran middles. Variety of attacks.
Variety. Para medyo malito ang mga blockers. But then again, another service error. But this time on the side of Letran. But it's still early. I mean, may mga errors na medyo okay pa i-commit at this time. Pero still,
Kakasabi lang natin na get the middles more involved. And
Yes.
another attack para kay LJ. Pascual.
Silva,
Estrelier.
kaabang.
Martin, cross court.
Ang linis ng play na yun.
Yen Martin with a cross court kill. Isar, 2 points on a quick attack and a running attack. Tinarget si Dolorito. Oh, what a set. Si Jonah talaga yung tinatarget nila. Pinapagod nila si Jonah,
Ang
putting
ganda ng
pressure.
serve.
Letran is up 16-10. The quest to end a 28-year title drought continues for the Letran Lady Knights. Still unbeaten, 10-0. Can you imagine, Jack, yung huling championship ng Letran, naglalaro pa si Coach Mayet, Carolina Sisters.
Yes.
That was 1998.
Wow. Ilang taon lang ako nun? 7?
1998, season 74, her MVP year. Back-to-back sila nun eh.
Wow, back-to-back.
Yeah, they were back-to-back champions.
Yun talaga yung mga kalakasan ng Letran. And of course, the Carolina Sisters, legend na yan. Pero naabutan ko pa yung, sa ibang liga siguro, nakalaban ko pa sila. And what an honor, of course.
And looking at Coach Mayet now, parang pwede pa maglaro eh.
Parang batang-bata pa.
Keeping her slim figure. And that is a flex.
A flex talaga.
Estrelier, Sari from the back.
From the back. Good up. Still alive.
Oh, patong play.
Nice.
Stacey
Patong.
Lopez.
Nice.
Bakit parang bitin yung talon ng tatlong blockers?
Oo nga, parang nabitin actually. Parang hindi nila tunuloy, no? And medyo malalayo sila sa isa't isa.
Bakit nangyayari yun? Minsan...
Siguro na may miss time. Or hindi na lang sila tumatalon para siguro hindi na ma-deflect yung bola para makaredy sana yung defender sa likod. Minsan may ganun eh. Parang wag mo na ituloy basta nakaredy yung defense sa likod. May pattern kasi yan eh.
Pero ang galing. Tatlo silang nakaisip ng gano'n.
Ayun lang. Minsan kapag lagi mo nang ginagawa, parang yung shadow siguro ng kasama mo na-adapt ba?
Martin.
Silva, very active on the defense side.
Yeah, I just realized, or I don't know, maybe I just don't see him, but Coach Alexi is not on the bench. Yeah, our active consultant. This is the first time, well, in the games that I covered na hindi ko siya nakita on the bench.
Nitura. Nice coverage.
Dolorito.
Oh, I think that's check ball.
Nakasmile si Judiel eh. Alam niya eh.
Guilty as charged.
Estrelier to Padilla. Dolorito.
Silva again. Very active.
Oh, ayan na si Palang. Padilla. Quick attack.
Also yung middle ng Letran. Very, very active.
Kailangan yan, lalo na kung maglalaban ulit sila ng Benilde. They need that extra push and activity from the middles. Lopez. Lakas.
Lakas. But nice set.
So now, substitutions here para sa pupunan ni Coach Cromwell Garcia. Bam Taghoy is in. Ashley Machilias is back. Taghoy, rookie setter, wearing jersey number 13.
Pero si Nitura, pinupukpok talaga yung bola.
Yung form ni Judiel, pulidong-pulido na eh. Look at that. Look at the spin on the ball, the
Yes, and-
spiking form.
And the elevation.
Muchillas.
Ooh.
Easy kill for Ashley Muchillas.
Nice set. Nahuli yung blocker. Dahil ang bilis ng pagkakabato ng set sa opposite side.
Dolorito. Silva. Dosari.
Blocked. Nitura
Nitura.
again. Blocked.
Oh! Alberto showing a lot of promise as a
Yes.
young middle blocker. Hindi siya natatakot na sabayan yung mga Nitura or Sari.
Siya ang ating Gandalf ngayon. You shall not pass.
You shall not pass.
Nitura.
Yun, iniwasan na tuloy. Nitura avoiding the block of Alberto and
Nice
Pascual.
pass from Silva.
Oh, isa lang ang sumabay but Taghoy was there.
Oh!
Pinadaan sa
Sa
gitna.
gitna. Medyo butas ang blocker. Ang blockings.
So now, Coach Mayet Carolino calls a timeout. Interesting here.
Hindi na sila ganon ka hard mag-ano. Dito lang tayo. Judy, dito, tulong ka. Ha? Pag ganon, cross lang naman sila. Okay?
This might be the first time all season that, well, at least for me, na we don't see active consultant Alexi Latinmaki doing the huddle as we see Mancom representative Father Vic Calvo. So this is a challenge also for Coach Mayet na wala si Coach Alexi, so siya lang talaga.
Yes.
Yung mga instruction sa kanya manggagaling mismo.
Lahat.
Dr. Lorenzo. Right next to Father Vic.
Oh. Bad pass. Pero si Nitura, walang pangit. Iangat mo lang.
Clean.
Yes. I mean, look at her. Always ready. And parang hindi siya pinagpapawisan pa.
Ano sa ginagawa natin? Okay. Ano ba yung bablakin natin? Effective naman yung binablakan natin. Okay, tama naman. Pero hindi po pwedeng bitawan. Oh, ngayon, hindi pwedeng magkambal na error. Napatayan tayo, kailangan makareceive tayo, makatake tayo na maayos. Okay? Attack hard. Naintindihan, walang pipigilan.
Clear instructions from coach.
Dr. Alan Paul Laico, PhD, Mancom representative for Lyceum of the Philippines University.
So, ayun nga sabi ni coach, more on intention sa blocking. Andun, tama naman yung sinabi ni coach na alam naman natin sino yung bablokin, but more of the intention. Huwag bibitawan. Oh, nice save from Silva.
Judiel gliding to her right. Had to improvise on
Chance
that
ball.
hit. Running attack para kay Isar. Basang-basa ni Pascual.
Tuwan-tuwa siya sa block na yun. Kita mo? Napasuntok sa hangin.
Nabasa ni Pascual.
Very nice timing. Oh. Must be nice, no, na makablock. Like, tinatanong mga teammates ko nun eh, ano ba pakiramdam nung nakablock? Parang rin nakadepensa, ganun. Misreceive from Martin.
So the timeout of Coach Cromwell doing wonders for his team.
Yes.
And now Coach Mayet Carolino making some substitutions. Ces Tomayao is in along with Nisen Colendra.
Good pass this time.
Check ball ba?
Outside. Wala. masyadong mataas.
Wow, this
Yung
is
drop ball.
Jack. 3 straight points for
3-0
LPU.
3-0 run. Kung ako lang sa LPU, I'll take advantage.
Silva. Tumayaw to Colendra. Ang lalim ng bench na itong Letran.
Yes.
Meron silang Colendra. Colendra, instant offense.
Same situation. Okay? Galing tayong error. Error natin yun, kasalanan natin yun. Okay, hindi sila pumuntos doon, tayo may mali doon. Bakit? Hindi tayo nag-react. Hindi po pwede magkakambal na error. Intindihan? Pulutan muna natin ng isang pasa. Kailangan makatake tayo ng maganda. Okay? Hit hard, ha? Hit hard. May go mo.
Now, look at the latest set scoring here, or scoring that has gone on in set 1. Llamado ang LPU, pero yun nga, nakauna na kasi yung Letran. That's why they're still up 22-19.
Yes. Ang ayaw lang mangyari ni Coach, yung error ng isa, tas error ulit ng isa.
Oo, yung
Dapat side out daw kaagad.
magkakambal na error.
Mahirap yun kasi syempre sa volleyball, 1 point lang and 1 point is very important.
So now Letran with a response, back-to-back points. Teka, may challenge ba? Mukhang may challenge.
Net touch.
Net touch challenge for LPU. So it's the first challenge.
Good vibes lang. But you know, ngayon ang labanan na talaga ngayon, feeling ko, ang palaliman na talaga ng bench. So everyone is very important talaga.
Yeah.
Kaya yung role mo dapat i-embrace mo talaga. Pag pinasok ka, kailangan ready ka.
And speaking of players on the bench, LPU has a former second-best outside spiker, Roxy De La Cruz, who used to play for Mapua, on their bench. But dealing with Rayuma. Totoo.
Totoo.
Kaya minsan, sasabihan niya si Coach na, Coach, I feel good. So, lalo na nung Mapua yung kalaban, nawala bigla yung sakit.
May ganun talaga eh, no?
Pagkalaban yung former team.
May extra motivation. Let's see kung mayroong net touch. No, I think yung bola na yung push. Challenge unsuccessful. Sari still on the service line.
Napako sa 19 yung LPU. Sayang.
Sayang.
Nakahabol na sila eh. Sari. They still continue to target Dolorito. Sari with the pass to Mayaw. Oh!
Medyo bitin.
Uy!
But still, lucky shot.
Ang galing. What a smart play by Nisen Colendra.
Yes.
Alam niya nga,
Miss-set na, pero
ang galing. Nag-decide siya on a split second. Di na siya
Yes.
tatalon. Tutulak na lang niya.
tutulak na lang.
What a smart play by Nisen Colendra. Tumayaw. Goes to Isar. Martin pushes it to the LPU side. The Trans already at set point here.
Miss time that time.
Nalunod si Osada.
Sayang naman, di na sila nakagalaw sa 19. But still, you know, if I'm Letran, syempre, I won't give this team a chance. Kasi nakahabol na eh.
Wait, it's a challenge pa ba?
Oh, wait.
Mukhang
May
it's a
challenge pa.
May net touch
May net touch.
challenge. Ayaw bitawan ni Coach Krog.
I mean, like what I said, di ba? 1 point is very important talaga.
Grabe. Ikaw ba, Jack, sa professional level, minsan papasok ka ba sa ensayo tapos yung mga teammates mo, nakikita mong nagde-TikTok, nagsushoot ng mga videos?
All the time. My God.
So it's a normal thing.
It's a normal
So
thing.
itong mga nangyayari dito, wala. That's every day.
Nako. Parang part na yan ng ano natin. Ito na ang challenge.
Tumama na ba?
I don't think so.
So, end of the first set. After that unsuccessful challenge, the Letran Lady Knights take it 25-19. Magbabalik po kami para sa set number 2.